What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to configure Zendesk for multilingual support using dynamic content. This setup ensures that customers are greeted in their preferred language. So first I'll navigate to account settings and add supported languages like English and French for the sake of this demonstration. So we will go to Admin Center, Accounts, we will click on Localization. We will proceed here and add the languages. English we already have, so we're going to add additional languages. We will proceed and add French. And there we go. Language has been added. We will now go create a dynamic content as we have already two languages. So we will go to Admin Center. We will go to Workspaces, Dynamic Content. So we will start with English. For this tutorial, we're just going to name it as Greeting Message. We're just going to say, hello, how can we help you? Click on create. There we go. So we will go ahead and create a second one. We will go to, again, Admin Center, Workspaces, Dynamic Content. We'll click on Add Item, Greeting Message, French. We'll click on create, and there we have it, guys. So we have added an English and a French greeting message. If we go back here to dynamic content, we will see both displayed. Boom, there we have them both, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and please comment down below if there's any specific task you would like to know or you would like to show me how to do on Zendesk. I'll see you in the next one.